economics past question Jamb 2011. Question number 21. If real income increases, while nominal income remains the same, it can be inferred that option A says unemployment rate has decreased. Option B says general prices has fallen. Option C says employment rate has risen. General prices have risen. The real idea applies at every wage. Okay, households will supply only the amount of labor that they would previously have supplied. However, if the figures shown are nominal wages, if the figures shown are nominal wages, are nominal wages, then the real wages are not increasing at all. So option B, which says general prices has fallen, is the correct option. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.